Hey, hey, okay, you know, let me just grab the chair. Okay, so, oh, my sister finally wore a belly shirt because it's finally turning hot, and she gave me that belly shirt. It's because it's mine, but she gave me it because it was winter that time when belly shirts used to be popular.
I'm not wearing jean shorts right now because
She likes comfy stuff.
no, I actually like jean shorts better, but I can't find any mine. And she has way more shorts than me.
You have like 0 jean shorts.
Actually, I have a lot, and then you, I can tell yours.
No, I don't. I bet you probably Layla, because I know she has a few of yours. I saw the brands. She has a few of yours.
She never got any like jeans. By the way, just to let you know, guys, she does. I promise you guys.
She does have them. It's just she doesn't wear them.
Hey guys, no, I promise. So this is on her channel. I promise you guys, on her likes, all you guys viewers, to all of those are my shorts. She never buys any shorts from art class.
I do.
No, she.
Oh yeah, Layla.
Her mom doesn't let her buy shorts because she doesn't even let her buy beauty shorts. Oh, by the way, I don't know.
Wait, is this yours? Did you put yours right there?
I'll put mine right here.
Okay, then this one's yours. I didn't drink it. I was about to. Yeah, mine. This is not mine. It might be. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it is. Because I didn't put my lips on it.
Oh, pink. This is yours.
Wait, what?
I have pink on it. I wiped my lipstick off. I wiped my lipstick off.
Oh.
No, I know what it is. I found.
Okay, now you owe me.
No, I do not.
Yes, you do. You drank some.
I'm getting a new one because of you. You got the whole night thing now. You took way too much.
No, I didn't. I barely got any.
I don't drink this much. Look.
Okay, awesome.
It's going in the drain, by the way.
Yeah, half of it's going on my floor, and it went right there. And your chair is wet, and it's fluffy. It won't be so fluffy anymore. It will be sticky. Oh, your dad ate her.
Oh, dang it! Dang that!
Just had to see it. Well, our dad didn't let her use belly shirts.
We're done.
No. But we sneak because we're good girls. I said our dad.
Okay. No, you did not.
Yeah, I did. I actually said
If I watched the video, what would you say?
our dad. Because she always thinks that I say her dad. Because
If I watched this video, what would it say?
our dad.
Mm. Yeah, wait.
So,
Wait, anyway, you already saw me in it. You already saw me in it. What the heck? Hey, Daddy, look at me. Okay.
plus, hey, want to say that? We're doing hot versus cold.
Hey, guys, I need to tell you something though.
So I'm the cold.
I need to tell you guys something though.
And she's hot.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. We
Pranked
pranked ya. We actually allowed to. It's because I actually know how to get. Do you like it like this or like with the shot on like that?
I like it more.
This. Okay, I'll be back, guys. And then I started falling off.
Okay, stop. Look at myself. Okay, she went to go change again. Nat!
Yeah.
Our dad is still there.
Okay.
I already said hi.
I have to
said hi. So we're doing hot versus cold. So she's gonna wear a jacket.
I'm not being hot. I'm not being cold. No, I'm being cold.
No, I'm already cold. Look at this. Remember we already set it up?
Oh, I don't. No. Hey, Daddy, look at me.
No, it's a screaming. Hey, Daddy, look at me. Daddy, look at me.
Daddy, look at me.
Okay, so what's that video about? Hot and cold, but you don't want to be hot.
You can be hot because you're hot. But I'm more hot than you.
No, you're not. Wait. Guys, check in the comments down below who's hotter.
That's not Anna. But look at this. See, it looks like a pretty pink, but look at this, guys.
Yeah.
Look at the bottom. Like, what the heck? Look.
It's because there's a bunch of glitter.
She added it in.
I'm obsessed with glitter. But this one was glossy slime.
It doesn't look glossy, but it really is.
It is. In the camera, you can't really see it.
This is a watery slime. It looks watery.
Yeah, but it's actually not.
It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear slime.
We don't make that much slime that much. But
I make more slime than you.
yeah, because I don't have glue.
I have a flat one. Because you waste it all.
Ah! Excuse you, girl. You use more bathroom glue than me. This is
No, of your gallon of glue. I had this gallon of glue for 2 years, and she only had hers for half of a year, and she used it all. It's because I add water in my slimes. She doesn't like jiggly slimes.
I do sometimes.
Yeah, she only does it sometimes. Other side.
I'm hungry.
No.
Why? I'm gonna tuck it up like. Well, I'm gonna tuck it up like this and I'm gonna put it on the table.
No. Plus, we don't have that much.
You don't have that much.
We.
Let me see.
Stop. Not.
Let me see.
Of the cinnamon waffles. Those are my favorite waffles.
Cinnamon?
Yeah.
You said those were the ugly kind last time.
What?
With your parents' fault. You said those are the ugly kind. Like the box.
Yeah, but the box is the ugly kind, but they taste really good actually. I never noticed that. How do people set up?
I never tried the cinnamon before. And you're looking pretty off.
No.
I actually never tried the cinnamon before.
And I'm not letting you. Oh, this would actually be pretty good.
You're not letting me, but those are ours. Fine, I don't want it.
No, because I paid for them.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna get this.
No.
Okay, fine. Guys, I have me. Wait. Who paid for that? I'm pretty sure I did.
No, our mom did.
She did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yours ran out because you ate it all.
I did not eat it all.
She usually
The babies drank it.
No. Sometimes she. Stop.
It got in my eye.
Somebody spit. Or accident. Oh no, that was just a little bit piece of milk from. No. What the heck? I'm not using
Hold on. Our babysitter is sleeping on me, right? Are they sleeping now?
No, they went to a different place, but they're going near they're living near whatchamacallit. Yes, I'm saying whatchamacallit because that's what. Yeah, they are living in Florida. They're heading there now.
No, our other sisters.
No. What do you mean? Oh yeah, our other sisters. Yeah, they're taking a nap. Oh, and when I moved in here, these colors were out here. We wanted a really light shade of blue. A house that comes with a really light.
Actually, I don't want any. Next place, I'm gonna go get some coffee, okay?
This is mine.
I don't want any coffee. I don't want any
I want.
coffee.
I'm gonna.
Get chocolate milk.
Yeah, I actually want coffee.
Okay. I'm gonna put this in back in the kitchen.
Okay. So guys, my. Okay.
You guys, you don't know actually coffee with coffee.
Hey, but guys, when this is hot, it turns into a whole different color.
Hey guys, you don't believe that we're gonna drink coffee? Coffee.
Let's go back. Sister's sleeping, and my older brother's sleeping.
Okay, I put that in the cabinet. You want me to make it? Oh, I'm gonna make our own. Okay. Come on, put it.
Oh, we make our coffee natural.
Yeah. We don't put a lot of cream in, so it's
Yeah,
not
and
too dark.
We put a lot of creamer, so it might be a little brown instead of black. Guys, we use milk instead of creamer. Dad, Papa's gonna use that spoon. Oh, okay. How did I get that?
This strawberry is too much chocolate on it.
Wait. Wait, why don't... Why chocolate? We're not putting in chocolate?
I know. Wait, why did I say chocolate? Oh, because yesterday I had Nesquik. I want coffee now.
Yesterday we weren't so sleepy.
Yesterday we didn't because of the babies.
No, because we weren't so sleepy.
Yeah, we're gonna warm our coffee up.
This woman's not making the cleaning noise.
Oh, is that why we want to do it? Hey, but what about?
I like hot chocolate. I like hot coffee. She thinks I like cold coffee. I like hot coffee.
I like warm and cold, but I usually like one. Oh my god.
Whoa, whoa! It's one more. It's one more.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, what's on now?
Oh, it's still warm. It's still really warm. It's not hot.
How many seconds is it on? 30? 30, 60, 70, 80, 90. You put it on 90 seconds. You put it on 32 times.
Yeah,
How much is it?
Because 30,
Plus 30.
no, 30 times 3 equals 90.
I just cleared your profile up to you.
Oh my god.
Guys, now I see a black cup. You're not gonna believe it, but now it's gonna like turn into like.
Yeah. I'm getting one.
Red. Okay, let's go. He always goes like that, but he doesn't even go like this. He doesn't. He has to bend his. No, he literally goes his legs out.
Yeah, like.
No, he doesn't. No, show the camera. Look. No, he doesn't. He goes. Look, his legs are like this out. Okay, I think it's done.
Oh
And
Didn't leak, it overflew. So yeah, that's the mess.
Look inside of it.
Yeah, overflow.
That looks really.
Okay, I'm kind of. No, stop. We don't want to burn that. We actually have to clean that.
What about me?
Wait, can you go climb up there?
But am I allowed to get? Am I allowed to warm mine up?
No.
Seriously, sis?
It made a mess.
I'm not gonna put on mine for 90
No,
seconds.
more.
I'm not putting mine for 90. I'm not gonna put
I
it.
put it mine for 2 seconds. More not.
Oh my god, I don't know. You know, 6,000.
I never meant that much.
You need more?
That's fine. That's okay.
Is that how much you wanted?
Yeah.
Okay, boy.
Okay, what a waste of time, but I'm gonna get cold coffee today.
What do you mean you are? I don't.
I'm getting cold coffee with a bunch creamer.
You do not have cold coffee. That's warm because you warm.
I know, but now I want cold.
And how are you gonna have cold?
Putting it in the freezer. There we go. Okay. Now, do you want to warm it up or want to stay cold? Yeah. Stop.
Damn. No. Want to do this to them?
No.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's kid friendly.
Look at that. And when I put it in the freezer, oh my god, that thing is hot. Yeah. This thing might burn my tongue. But if it was winter, this would be good.
It's close to winter. So anyways.
There's kind of no space. There's a bunch of meat.
Anyways, let's. What are you ready for?
There's a bunch of meat. I can't even fit it. Look.
I swear to God, yesterday.
No, shush. Bunch of meat. This is my cup. I can't close it all the way. I can't. You can feel goodness. Oh, and if you guys not like my nails, I did them. Well, I didn't do it. My cousin did.
Our cousin did them for her.
Yeah.
I wasn't here. I was at our friend's house.
Yeah, that's why she should have her nails done.
My nails look crappy.
Don't say that.
I got to my brother. Sorry, guys.
Sorry, you said sorry.
If our parents watch it, I'm so sorry that I did it.
Look, girls.
But
High heels.
I did not mean to say that.
Of what?
Our parents.
Oh. Yeah, that.
You guys, we're gonna put some products in.
Yeah.
And you're gonna vlog.
Well, hopefully try to vlog without GoPro.
We don't know the
GoPro. What is it called? GoPro.
GoPro.
GoPro. Yeah. We're going and we're pro.
But we don't know how we're subscribers.
We do. No.
Hey guys, I'm gonna put my sister down. We're gonna put our sister downstairs because we're gonna be making a lot of noise.
Cause I can't stop. Look at myself.
Okay. Let's go to the
Oh. Their room didn't have that much space, so we had to have that in here. I'm gonna put that in.
This is what I guys. Like he's supposed to lay out like this.
Yeah, you're supposed to. It's what I bet you they would do this. Look, I bet they would do this.
Like glittery.
I usually go like this.
Hey guys, put in the comments who you think is more sassy.
I'm getting a wedgie.
Wedgie in my booty for that. Yeah. No, literally, Laura asks me. Laura always asks me every time I say I have a wedgie. Laura's like, why do you always sing that song? I'm like, no, this is what some Leo's cousin does. Look, wedgie in my booty, feeling tight, high, yeah, and I'm like, look, she goes, wedgie in my booty, feeling tight, high, yeah.
Hiya.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's hut. Yeah. Yeah. Wedgie in my booty, feeling tight. Hiya. It's hut. Yeah.
I just
Hut.
said,
Yeah.
that's what I just said.
Then we said hot. Yeah. Wedgie in my booty, feeling tight. Hut. Yeah. Jiggle, jiggle, pop on my hips and get swing. Oh, you better tight. Hut. Yeah. Wedgie in my booty.
Hey guys, sis, I'm gonna plan for the next video, okay?
No.
Just Snapchat.
No, Snapchat, this is my book. Look. Which side do you like? This side or this side? I like this side.
Tim, like this side. Who did that, Brianna?
No, I did both of
I like
these.
this one.
This is my art journal. Where I like to do it. Oh, and we had to take this down.
No,
No. Yeah, they did. Oh, and I also got a new vanity. You guys can see me. Peace.
That isn't really new. You had it for a little while.
Well, they didn't see it yet. Well, while you guys stay right there, I'm gonna go like this.
Okay guys, so I'm putting it right now. You guys can see I wrote just a little bit for it now.
That thing was up there, it should stay up there. Oh my god. Yes, I brought my brother's gaming chair. Yeah, and he's a big YouTuber.
Yeah. He has 197
subscribers.
Mhm.
You guys might be thinking I'm crazy, but no. I'm not.
When it's up there, it stays up there. Hi guys.
Stop. Don't get in the way. Okay, guys. Guys, can you go to our shed and get the needles?
The shed?
Yeah.
I don't even know
Oh, okay. So you don't know where they are in the shed. Okay. That's fine. I would just tell my dad to do this. Just actually, like, screw it on. Well, Have to go put that back. Here, since I brought it all the way over here, can you put this back?
Sure.
All the way over back in the room. No, not that.
I know.
No, with this.
Oh.
That's fine. Then, okay, voila. And don't take these out. I don't want the place. I'm putting snacks in there. Water bottle. This. Was that my dad? Our dad?
What? I was going to talk.
No, it was like, eh.
You're lying.
No, like I actually heard it.
It wasn't me.
Is home?
Are we the only ones home?
I think so. Okay, well, bye guys.
We're going to try to
See you
investigate
next
this.
time. Peace. Bye. Wait, no, guys. One thing. We'll keep you updated on that noise.
Yeah.
Or it just might be the chair and then
Probably
my
not.
imagination.
It wouldn't.
Okay, peace out. Bye. Okay, it won't click. Sorry guys. Peace out.